Hi guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today I'm going to do a quick review. Now, you saw me using my new shower set. I got the new bag. The rest of this comes from OneWind, and they have a shower set now that is the four walls for the stall, so to speak. So what I'm doing for the Redneck Camper and for my camping series is I'm going to be able to take this, as you can see by the little diagram on it, is the actual walls of a shower. And it comes with a couple of poles and tent stakes, and all you need to do is hang it up over your head. So I'm going to set this up right quick. It's really simple. And then I'm going to hang up my shower bag I got from the surplus place to show you my Redneck shower set that's going to become part of my Redneck Camper set. Let me set up. Be right back. Okay, here's the poles. Now each of the individual poles is a sectional pole, and what it's got is you've got a hook. You just unhook and unspiral it down. Unhook the other end, spiral it down, and then all you're going to do is just let it go, and it'll start locking together because it's shock corded to become a great big pole with a hook and a bungee on the end. You're going to take both of these, and these are going to be forming an X. This X is going to go, thank you, the X is going to go across the top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my long line, I carry my reclaimed cordage, and I'm going to hook it over a tree limb up here. Then I'm going to come down, put this X on the ground, hook to the four walls, and I'm going to pull it up in the air so the shower bag is hanging above it, and then I'll hook up my sides to these. Be right back with that. Okay guys, here it is set up. Now all it is a screen of this thin seal nylon. These poles, like I said, you just sectionalize them, come to where they cross over naturally, and then you're going to take the bungee and hook it to the four contact points on the top of the wall. This leaves a zipper right here, which I'll show you closely in just a minute, to get in and out of, so you can zip it down, step inside of it, zip back up, whoop, and then you will have your shower right here. Now I can easily hook this up higher, spiral this around a little bit, these poles up here, just like this, to make that shower come straight down at me. Won't be very difficult. Right there, and I could reach up, unlock it, let the water pour on me, unspiral it down to do. This is high enough that it goes all the way just short of the ground, so everything's covered, but I can still see out, which is a real advantage. Real simple, real light, great for car camping or something like that. So I can zip this thing up, and I have elbow room either way that I can get in and out of this easily. Just like that. You see, elbows either way, plenty of room. I could have put down a mat or something to keep my feet clean so I don't get leaves or something on my feet as I'm washing. I can put a little stool in here for us old silver wolves need to sit down, because we might get a little bit unbalanced trying to sit here and shampoo in this thing. But we could do it. It makes it where I can have a quick and easy, and all I got to do is zip and unzip to get out. Can't be easier. Let me give you a free hand around it so you can see a little bit better. Okay, here's a close-up. You see, all it is the poles are just crossing each other, and the cord's just been wrapped a couple of times and hooked back to itself. Then further up, I have got the an S-hook on that line that I just hooked my bag to. That's it. Okay? The sides have got this bungee cord on it that come to this hook. Now you can adjust this as well for any kind of tension you want on it by pulling this and squeezing this and making it tighter. You can slide these up and down. Along the bottom, it simply has loops right there for a stake. Here's the stake right there. Comes straight out, and it's got a bungee cord right there that does the actual tension. This keeps it from flopping around. There's also a tensioner right here that you can cinch this thing up a little bit if you wanted to, especially for the ladies or something wanting a little bit more privacy. One end of this cinches up a little bit. That may even have another use I want to look at and figure out. But the zipper goes all the way to the bottom and will unzip it, so this can become like a lean-to tarp. You could set it up for that as well. All you got to do is grab that zipper and run it up. Now the bag that the whole thing comes in right there is attached to it. This becomes a great place to put your soap, your shampoo, etc. You can hook on here, hook a strap on this. You can hang it to the outside to keep it dry, and maybe put your towel through this carry strap right here. Pretty easy. All in all, a pretty easy, light, great addition to a camping set. So, for just a quick idea and review. With one of these U.S. Army MSR shower bags that can heat up water in the sun better than that stuff you get at Walmart, that you get from Kaufmans Surplus, and that'll be down in the description. And then you've got the shower screen that comes from OneWind for a quick addition. As I showed you, it's relatively small and compact, easy to carry along with you, and therefore would be a great carry on a car camping, truck camping, things like that, canoe camping. So when you're at a place that may not have shower stalls, you know, and you just want to get rid of a lot of this sweat and stuff, being able to set one of these up real quick at the end of the day and be able to sit there and shower off that sweat is fantastic. And that's the reason it's going to be part of my kit. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have, hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.